When you're scaling a digital marketing agency to 7 figures, one of the most critical steps you need to take is choosing a project management software. I've seen countless agencies make the mistake of picking the wrong software and as a result, running into many problems down the road, having to rebuild their systems and wasting a lot of time and money. But there's literally dozens of options out there. You've got Airtable, Trello, ClickUp, Monday, Basecamp, Asana, just to name a few. So in this video, I'll go over the best project management softwares to use in 2025. I run a $7 million digital marketing agency, and we've also worked with hundreds of agency owners as well. And these are the softwares that seem to work best. Let's get into it. All right, so the first project management software I want to talk about is Monday.com. And Monday is a very popular tool. I see it with a lot of social media management agencies, especially social media posting and like content update agencies. Pros and cons. So some of the good things about Monday.com, it is relatively cost effective. It's one of the lower end of the price scale. It's got a solid CRM and well-rounded tools. So you can do a lot of things from Kanban boards to actual task list management to project templates and things like that. Cons, I would say, it becomes a little bit clunky when you're scaling with teams. As you start to have a team in multiple departments, as the team starts to grow, it becomes a little bit clunky. Would I recommend it? I would recommend this if you're a smaller agency, but I do believe there are better alternatives out there. Project management software number 2 is Trello. Trello is one of the longtime standards in the industry. Some of the pros, it's very, very beginner friendly. It's easy to pick up, it's easy to start with, it's easy to get off the ground with, easy to use, and it's a good, simple project management platform. Cons, I have not found it to be super scalable. It's got a limited possibilities and feature sets, limited integrations. If you have plans to scaling to 7 figures and beyond, I don't necessarily think this is your best option. Software number 3 is going to be Asana. Asana also very popular in this space. Pros, it's good for project management and learning management. It is very scalable, like as you can put team members into it. It's got a lot of flexibility and functionality. Cons, not really great from a CRM perspective. If you want to like actually manage your prospects or your client data and communication, probably not the best fit. It has decent options, but it's not all around the best tool. I like to use as few softwares as possible. From that regard, it's got some great functions, but I wouldn't necessarily say it's the best option. Project management system number 4 is going to be ClickUp. We've used actually most of these tools to date, including Teamwork, which is also another great platform for project management, has some of the scalability options. But I'm going to say ClickUp is very well rounded. It's got some CRM functionality built into it. It has lots of advanced features. In my opinion, it's the best project management out there in terms of the ability to create a project template, to set timeframes, assignability, so that you could create a project in advance. You could have 5 different team members doing different things within it that could be assigned to different members of the team within that department. You could launch the project and it would reverse engineer due dates. It could automatically assign who's responsible for it. It is a powerhouse in terms of that level of customization. It also has the ability to integrate with a lot of different tools. You can put automations in place, you can leverage AI, you can connect with Zapier, you can connect with High Level. The con in my mind with ClickUp is it's a beast of a platform and it can take time to learn it. It can take time to set up. So if you're just getting started, it may be overkill for where you're at in your agency, but I would absolutely recommend this. This is our go-to platform. We use it at Plumbing and HVAC SEO, our digital marketing agency. We switched off Basecamp and then we switched off Trello and then we switched off Teamwork, and now we've got everything running on ClickUp. At 7-Figure Agency, we've built out ClickUp templates for project management in the various areas: a new client launch, SEO strategy, paid search strategy, Facebook ad strategy, so that you could, as a member, take those elements and say, all right, I'm ready to bake this into my process and significantly shortcut the amount of time it takes to get this kind of platform up and running. And then number 5 would be Airtable, right? And this is more of a database management platform with, unlimited features and functionality. Pros, it's very well rounded. It's great for data tracking, many advanced features, lots of easy integrations. Cons, can be complicated, right? It's not like as plug and play built for agencies or retainer-based services. It's one of the top alternatives. Like if you really want something you can customize to the hilt, that would be my second best alternative to ClickUp. I could probably talk about more, but those would be the top 5 platforms I hear agencies talking about. Again, my go-to recommendation today would be ClickUp for your project management platform. I hope this video will help you choose the right project management software for your agency. If you're an agency owner looking to scale to $1 million and beyond, I've recently recorded a full course of the exact system we've used to help help 138 agencies hit 7 figures. In that course, I go into depth on all of our strategies as well as explain how you can implement them and fast track your way to 7 figures and beyond. So if you're serious about scaling and you want to watch the full course right now for free on my YouTube channel, you can do it by clicking the first link in the description. You get completely free access, no opt-ins or anything else. So go watch the free course and make sure you actually implement what you learn. I'll see you there.